Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to create an account on Gmail. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Now to create an account on your Gmail, tap open Gmail app on your phone. Since we are new to Gmail, tap on Got It option at the bottom of the page. Now you can see an option for add another email address. Tap on add another email address. Now you can select the option to either set up email in Google, Outlook, Yahoo, Exchange or others. Tap on Google. Now you are redirected to sign in page. You can see an option for create account. Tap on create account. Either you create account for yourself or for your business. Tap on for myself if you want to create a personal account. Now type your first name. Surname is optional, so either you can type it or not. And tap on next. Here you need to type your birthday and your gender. Tap your day of birth, tap your month of birth, your year of birth, and select your gender in the gender option. Either female, male. If you don't want to disclose your gender, tap on rather not say or custom your gender. And tap on next. Now type the username you want to keep as your Gmail address. Tap next. Now type your password and tap next. Either enter your phone number or tap on skip option at the bottom left corner of the page. Now once review your account info and tap on next. Scroll down to tap on I agree since you agree to the terms and conditions of Google. Your account has been created and you can see an option for your account in this list of email addresses. I hope this video helped you create a Gmail account. Do like and subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.